Hello everyone, my name is Rashi Sharma and today I want to tell you all some do's and don'ts for coronavirus. Coronavirus is a very dangerous virus that can be spread from coughing, sneezing and touching. So now it's our responsibility to save ourselves, our country and our world from this epidemic. Now as the virus cannot travel on its own and it needs a medium to travel, we can easily fight back if we do certain things. First and the most important thing is to stay at home and prevent infection from others. This is also termed as social distancing, which is very important for all of us to follow. The second point is that people should not move out of their house until it's necessary, and even if they have to, they should follow some precautions like they should not touch the door handle, lift button, and other people. If they meet other people, they should greet them from a distance. The third point is that we should frequently wash our hands properly with soap and water for at least 20 to 30 seconds and 10 times a day. If water isn't available, we can also use alcohol-based hand sanitizers. The fourth point is that we should not touch our hands to our face because this virus can enter our body through our nose, mouth and eyes. The fifth point is that all the senior citizen people and small children should not move out of house on any condition because this virus can very easily catch them. The sixth point is that whenever we bring anything from market, we should keep all that stuff in sunlight and then we should properly wash them and then we should use it. It helps in killing the germs in it. The seventh point is that if we find any symptoms like fever, coughing, sneezing or breathing problems in ourselves, we should immediately wear a mask and visit a doctor. Because if we do not do it, it can be very harmful for us, our family and all people we meet. So now let's all of us together decide to stay home and stay safe and fight this evil virus together because all of us are together in this problem. And in this time, we can spend quality time with our family, we can find a hobby, work on it and we can also study through certain online classes. So let's stay home and stay safe.
Hi everyone, myself Dikshita Rathi and today I will speak on coronavirus. Coronavirus is a respiratory disease that can spread from people to people. A person can get COVID-19 by touching the object that has a virus on it. And we know that there is no currently any vaccine have made to prevent from COVID-19. So the best way to protect from COVID-19 is to maintain good social distance. About 6 feet is very important. Now I will tell you some precautions from spreading the virus and protect yourself. First, wash your hands regularly for 20 seconds with water and soap or alcohol-based hand rub. Second, cover your nose and mouth with a disposable tissue or elbow when you cough or sneeze. Third, avoid close contact 1 meter or 3 feet with people, those who are unwell. Fourth, don't touch your eyes, nose, mouth if your hands are not clean. COVID-19 can live for hours or days on surface depending on factors such as sunlight and humidity. Although the risk of illness may be different from everyone, anyone can get and spread COVID-19. Everyone has a role to play in showing the spread and protecting yourself, your family and community. This virus will not come to our house unless we go out and invite it. So, stay home, stay safe.
Hello all of you. My name is Kushida Hokia and I study in class 10. And today I am here to aware all of you about a disease, coronavirus, that is spreading day by day in our country and can cause a lot of damage to our population, to the world, to our country and all the people of this world. So it can spread from one person to another very fast. So today I am going to tell you some ways of prevention because one great person has said prevention is better than cure. So me and my brother Lakshay, who study in class 7, are going to perform a skit on topic coronavirus. So let's start. लॉकडाउन चल रहा है, आपको पता है हमारे पीएम मोदी ने कहा है कि घर से बाहर नहीं निकलना है, फिर आप घर से बाहर क्यों गए?
मैं नहीं मानता ये लॉकडाउन लॉकडाउन।
आपको पता है आपके मानने से लॉकडाउन खत्म नहीं हो जाता। आपको पता है कितने सारे लोग इनकी वजह से मर रहे हैं, कितनी वजह से इनके
मेरे
लोगों को
कौन से
इफेक्ट
दोस्तों
पड़ रहा
को
है।
कोरोना वायरस हुआ हुआ है?
आपको कैसे पता आपको आपके दोस्तों को हुआ है या नहीं? इसके सिम्टम्स 7-8 दिन बाद दिखाई देते हैं। अभी आपको नहीं खेलना चाहिए दोस्तों, कल से आप मत खेले जाना और अभी जाके हैंड वॉश कर लो।
मैं क्यों करूं हैंड वॉश? मैं किसी को ट्रस्ट नहीं किया है।
आपको आपने आपके दोस्तों ने, अगर सपोज कर लो कि आपके दोस्तों ने हाथ में फुटबॉल पकड़ी और आपने वापस को पकड़ ली, तो आ गया ना कोरोना वायरस। आप जाके चुपचाप हैंड वॉश करके आओ।
मैं नहीं करता।
अक्षय,
हेलो,
आप क्या कर रहे हो?
मेरे दोस्तों ने मैसेज भेजे उन्हें फॉरवर्ड कर रहा हूं।
आप बिना देखे फॉरवर्ड कर रहे हो?
कोरोना वायरस के बारे में।
ओ, तो किसने आपको मैसेज सेंड किया?
मेरे फ्रेंड्स ने।
आप वापस किसको सेंड कर रहे हो?
मैं वायरल कर रहा हूँ।
आप बिना चेक किए उनको वायरल कर रहे हो? आपको चेक तो करना चाहिए एक बार। आपको पता है आजकल व्हाट्सएप और फेसबुक पे कितने सारे इंफॉर्मेशन जो होती है वो फेक होती है।
मुझे अभी पढ़ाई करना है, इसलिए मैं फटाफट सबको फॉरवर्ड कर रहा हूँ।
फिर भी आपको चेक तो करना चाहिए। आप ये काम बाद में भी कर सकते हो ना। चलो कुछ नहीं, इसको छोड़ो। अब मम्मा खाने के लिए बुला रही है, फटाफट खाना खाने आ जाओ। उसको तो आपने टच भी किया होगा, तो आप क्या, अगर किसी और आदमी ने या किसी ने भी टच किया होगा तो जर्म्स आपके हाथ में आ गए होंगे।
ठीक है, मैं हैंड वॉश करके आऊंगा खाना।
हाँ, और अब से आप अपने दोस्त साथ खेलने नहीं जाओगे बाहर।
ठीक है।
आपको पता है हमें ना घर पे बैठे बैठे बहुत सारे वर्क कर सकते हैं। मेडिटेशन कर सकते हैं, हम एक्स्ट्रा स्टडीज कर सकते हैं, हमारी हैंडराइटिंग इंप्रूव कर सकते हैं। तो कल से आप अपनी हैंडराइटिंग इंप्रूव करोगे। ओके?
Hello everyone, myself Apurva Tiwari. Today I want to share my views on present coronavirus or COVID-19. Whole world is worried about it because we don't have any vaccine, but you need not to worry about it. We should follow some precautions, and in this video I want to tell you some precautions, basic precautions that you must follow. So first and the most important thing is you should have cleanliness around you, and cleanliness is the most important thing. You should wash your hand at least 10 times a day for 20 to 30 seconds with hand wash. And if you don't have hand wash, you can use alcohol based hand sanitizer. Second one is for your mother, but you should do this much help for your mother. If your mother or father is bringing vegetables from the market, you should wash it with warm water at least 2 times. Third one is when you're eating anything that is closed in packet, you should check its date of manufacturing and expiry date. It is very important. And we should avoid soft drinks, ice creams and cold drinks in this time, because for this we can got cough or cold. That's not good for us. For this we should meet a doctor. But now we are not getting any good doctor because everyone is busy in coronavirus. So you should not get a cough or cold. And if you are sneezing, you are having cough or cold, so see for one day and drink warm water that day. And if it's controlled, then you need not to worry about it. But it's increasing day by day, then you should wear a mask, go and meet your doctor and tell your problems. So fourth one is you should drink. If you don't have cough or cold, then also you should drink warm water 2 times a day, before sleeping and after sleeping, because it will increase your immunity power. For this virus, our immunity power should be very strong. So fifth one is stay at your home, stay safe, stay healthy and fine. So when the India is open and everything is normal, so some people, those who are doing job, they want a holiday, and now they are having a holiday, but they want to go outside their home. Why? I know they want to go to meet your relatives but it's not possible now because it's of lockdown. You should follow lockdown of our prime ministers. It's lockdown 2 now. And if you are going outside of your home, so before going outside,
Think about the doctors, polices who are 24 into 7 duty. You can install Arogya Setu app for your benefit. And it's for our benefit only. From Government of India, it's for us. So you should install it. It's very good app. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Namaste everyone, I am Pratyush Singh of class 8. I am going to aware you all against a very dangerous and dreadful disease faced by our whole world named as COVID-19 coronavirus. The starting point of this virus is from our neighboring country China. In South China, there is a city, Wuhan, from where this evil virus came. In Wuhan, there is a seafood market where meat of all types of animal is sold, such as pig, snake, bats and dog. Now, let me tell you how this virus came to us. Basically, coronavirus was found in animal, but market in Wuhan gave a chance to this virus to get transmitted to people. According to some experts, the spread of this virus is from bats and snakes, but there are no concrete evidence. Dr. Li Wenliang was the one who first discovered this virus in his patient, and also he declared that it is a really dangerous and can spread fluently. But government of China arrested him in spreading rumors. Meanwhile, coronavirus spread as bushfire in China and then in the whole world. In March 11, 2020, WHO declared this is a global pandemic. Now in whole world, nearly 3 lakh pupils are influenced, 30,000 deaths and 1 lakh recover from this virus. Symptoms of this virus are fever, dry cough, fatigue and sore throat. COVID-19 is a viral infection, so till now it has no cure but only treatment. To make ourselves and our loved ones safe, we should wash our hands frequently with soap or hand sanitizer containing 80% of alcohol. We all should use our handkerchief or elbow while sneezing or coughing. We all should maintain at least 1 hand distance from a person while talking, and most important is we should follow our government order and practice social distance as it is very important to break the chain. The only treatment to stay away from coronavirus is to make your immune system up, to make it greens, vegetables, vitamin C in your diet, do yoga, meditation and pranayam. Whereas we should not touch our eyes, nose and mouth without unwashed hand while coughing or sneezing. We should not touch surface usually used by public like railings, door or taps, as coronavirus is detectable in air for up to 3 hours and 2 to 3 days on plastic or stainless steel. We should not allow our elders to move out of house as they are most at risk from coronavirus, as our doctors and forces are trying their best to save the world from this pandemic. We should also help them by following their instructions strictly. So stay home, stay safe. Thank you.